Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to step 6 of 7 for solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'm glad to have you today. Always remember the brain is a muscle and you've got to exercise it for clarity and sharpness. Now, step 6 will involve us making sure the color schemes of these edges, the edge pieces have the same color scheme. So we must have a red, a blue, and a black on this side. Same way, same here, and it doesn't matter whether it's looking, it's oriented in the right way or not. So the formula to start aligning our pieces, our corner pieces, is one to the side, up, go back again, go up, then side, then you go down, that way, then you go down. So that's step number 1. So you need to look to see if any of the color schemes were created properly. So you have this is a blue and an orange. Now, okay, you do it again. 1, up, 1, up, down, down. So, see this edge has actually aligned, and it so happens that they are exactly as needed. But you notice that these other 3 pieces, they are still requiring further processing. So we still do the same thing. So, but this time just stay on this side, because these will remain at the same place while the 3 of these move around. Okay. So let's start. 1, you go up, you go back, you go up, go back again, go down, go back again, go down. So that gives you the right color scheme here, the right color scheme here. Okay, so that is the end of step 6. Thank you for having me. Always remember the brain is a muscle. You've got to exercise it for clarity and sharpness.